Come on, today we will study the cube resistance and their shortcut methods. Fine, the shortcut methods, fine, to study the cube resistance. Fine, now you can see that this is a cube. Fine, the length of the cube is A. This is said to be an edge. Fine, this is said to be what? Edge. What you call this? If these 2 points are joined, this is said to be what? Phase diagonal. What you call this? Phase diagonal. And we have already studied in mathematics that the phase diagonal length is root 2a. This is what? This is body diagonal. Fine, that is whose length is maximum in the cube, and that is root 3a. What you call this? Length root 3a. Now if you remember this edge, phase diagonal and body diagonal, it is easy to understand the short tricks. Fine, during examination, fine, you must know how the shortcut is to be applied to do the answers or to get the answers very soon. Fine, now you can see here. What is this? This is said to be an edge. If A and B point are connected here and you need to find out what is an effective resistance between these 2 points, it means the current goes from A, fine, and it moves throughout the cube and current comes out from B. So we say that the 2 edges are connected. Fine, this is applicable for all the edges. Fine, and the shortcut method which has been given for the all edges, faces and the diagonals. Fine, now you can see that when I say it, we talk about the phase diagonal. So I can say that if these 2 points are connected, the current goes from here and come out from here. Fine, so we say that the phase diagonals are connected. You can use this too also. Fine, so for any phase it is applicable. Now we talk about the body diagonal. Fine, see here AB. If it is told to you find out the effective resistance between A and B, it means that current enters from A and comes out from B. Fine, so it is said to be phase diagonal. Now if it is required to find out the effective resistance, how the short trick is applied, that is very important. Fine, now you can see that this is the edge, this is phase and this is body diagonal. Fine, whose length is A, this length is root 2a and the body diagonal has a length root 3a. This we have already studied. Now how you find out or how you apply the shortcut method to get the resistance, see how to do it. Fine, for suppose edge, fine, for edge I will write here phase and I write here body diagonal. Fine, so this should be the serial which has to be applied. Here the length is A, here the length is root 2a and here the length is root 3a. Fine, since all the resistance are R, fine, so definitely you get the answers or the effective resistance in R only. So what you have to do, you have to write like this. Fine, see the method, very very important. So how to start with? Write here 1 2, here 3, here 4, this is 5 6 7. Please remember 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Fine, so this is said to be an effective resistance. See, very easy to understand. This is effective resistance. Fine, sometimes it happens that suppose you forget, to you must know that R is proportional to L. ठीक है, जिसका लेंथ ज़्यादा होगा that resistance would be more. Yes or no? ठीक है, तो किसका लेंथ ज़्यादा है? बॉडी डायगोनल का, सो इसका रेजिस्टेंस ज़्यादा ही आएगा. फाइन, सो प्लीज़ इफ़ यू रिमेंबर दिस ट्रिक, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फाइन, you can answers very soon. How to write? See again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Fine, so answer is there definitely. I think this is done in the theory classes also. Fine, now it is so easy. Now you can check the length, if length of which part is more. Fine, definitely it is a body diagonal. Fine, so this, let's see, the resistance comes out to be more. You can check also. Fine, now see this one of the example which is very easier to apply the short tricks and you can find out. See, you have given that the 1 ohm resistance is connected to form a skeleton cube with a battery. Battery is given to us 10 volt, and see which part are connected diagonally opposite corners. So we know that the effective resistance is what? 5 upon 6 R, and R value is given to us 1. So ultimately R effective you get it 5 upon 6 ohms. Yes or no? So we can find out by using Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. I need to find out I. So I is very easy to find out, 12 ampere. So this is very easy. Fine. So I hope you understand the trick and please apply it during NEET and JEE examination. Fine. I hope you understand and share with your friends. Thank you.